It looks like a potion.
The mixture looks really cool. There's just different colors and different refractions.
Opalescent. Good morning, friends. Another beautiful, bright, sunny, cold day today here at Quench Studios. Another jam-packed day full of constantly making things. I really should be taking notes for next year because I don't think we were adequately prepared for the amount of business we are getting right now. But we are making it through one day at a time. Today I am making pink berry mimosa bath bombs, and I'll pick another bath bomb scent because I like to do 2 at a time. I'm going to be making coffee soap. I'm going to be making lavender cedarwood soap, getting orders out the door. Kale is out right now. He is dropping packages off. We just had a customer pick up his stuff in the sunroom a few seconds ago, and I need to be putting up the listings for those 2 soaps that I took pictures of in the other vlog. That vlog is going up right now. I've been playing around with the different times of when I should be uploading, and I've noticed that if I upload the video at around noonish, I seem to be getting a really good response. So I think I'm going to be trying to, I think I will in the future be uploading around noontime, although that's not a promise. Things change all the time. Yeah, another super busy day. If you're new here, my name is Jerica. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. And I'm the owner and creator of Quench, which is a soap and bath bomb business. And in this channel, I talk all about how I make the stuff, how I sell the stuff, all of my ins and outs, all of my secrets. And if that's something that you are into, if you are starting up a business yourself and want to know what it's like, then this is the channel for you. Please subscribe. I know a bunch of you have subscribed already. That number just keeps going up and up. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. I didn't realize that I was really that entertaining. I'm just someone who likes to show people what I do. I'm so grateful that you guys have been liking that. Now, on with the show. So I'm here on my Etsy page and I'm going to be uploading a new listing, and I showed you guys in the other video that I had about Etsy how I use an existing listing and just kind of build off of that. So because I'm going to be posting a seasonal candy cane soap, I'm probably going to be using my seasonal pumpkin soap listing, which that's what I did in that video. I used a pumpkin spice ball to create my peppermint candy ball. So I'm just gonna quickly look for pumpkin, and then yep, there it is right there. I'm going to be creating a new listing from that, so I'll just copy that. I'll delete all of the pictures. So I uploaded all of my pictures, and I'm picking this picture as my main picture, and you can see in the thumbnail there's still a lot of space, so I'm just going to click adjust thumbnail. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and just readjust so that there's less white space, and there you go. I'm going to save that, and that should update it. There you go. That looks so much better. So yeah, I'm just going to be uploading, or I'm going to be updating everything else so that everything is going to be referencing candy canes and Christmas instead of pumpkins and fall. And that's really all I do when I upload a new list on Etsy. So Kale's mom, who watches our videos, hi Mima, she sent us these fantastic shirts. Oh my gosh, I love them.
Here's yours.
And there's mine. We've been tasked with taking a selfie with it so that Mima can put all the photos together for a big family card. Is that what we're doing right now?
Yep.
So we are going to be taking that picture right now.
Family is staying away from each other this year.
Yeah, so Kale's family is really interesting because his family is based out of Washington and Washington State. His brother, parents, and yeah, brother parents are there. And his sister is over in Kuwait teaching English, and we are here in Canada. His family is in all corners of the world, but they find ways to connect and become one, and this is one of the ways. So let's put on these shirts and take that picture. Hello guys, I'm still wearing my Team Santa shirt because it's actually really nice and warm and I like it. And it's getting me into the Christmas mood. I just finished the bath bombs. I'll show you guys. And these are our Love Spell bath bombs and Pinkberry Mimosa bath bombs. Let me just, there you go. The color was a little off there. But interesting thing about these bath bombs is I turned on the dehumidifier and it was at 40, which tells me that I don't need to have my dehumidifier running because, as I have said many times before, 40 is the best level of humidity that you want for making bath bombs. So I was right. These bath bombs formed perfectly without a dehumidifier running. We are in the, I mean, I don't know if it's even, is it winter yet? But the weather has definitely dipped down and we have our heater going that sucks out all the moisture in our house. So it's drier here, hence why the humidity level is at 40. The balls formed just fine. I really like the Pinkberry Mimosa balls because they're so vibrant and so pink. I also like the Love Spell bath bombs because they're soft and romantic. Every bath bomb has their own unique special thing that they bring to the table. And if you're wondering where I get my baking soda from, I get these big pallets from Costco and they're the cheapest that I found so far. So if you have a really good source that's cheaper than Costco, let me know in the comments because I have to open up each one, as you can see, and dump them out, which is a little bit time consuming. So if you know of a good source, let me know. I did try to buy baking soda once from a farm. It was like feed grade baking soda and that was not good. My bath bombs did not form together. This Arm & Hammer stuff is hands down the best baking soda that I've used. So if there's anything else that you guys can think of, let me know in the comments, and maybe if anyone else is curious, then you can let them know. So we are getting through the orders.
Look how little we have on here.
I know, is this everything?
Mind-blowing to me.
Yeah.
This is everything right now.
Yeah,
we are
trying
to tread water with it, but now we're actually making a little bit of progress to where we're catching up. So.
Yep, this is perfect. Awesome sauce. And tonight we still have to make soap, and Kale discovered that we needed to also make
conditioner bars. Because this one needs another conditioner bar here.
Yep. So getting through it, but not out of it yet. Not out of the woods yet, are we? So Kale is just about to pour some conditioner bars. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. It's like, oh, it looks like a potion.
The mixture looks really cool. There's just different colors and different refractions.
Opalescent.
Yeah.
So this is, what is this, Georgian Bay?
Yes.
So what is it?
77.4.
So we can add, at this point, the fragrance oil and the preservative. We add a preservative because we want to make sure, oh yeah, we have the Christmas music. Let me turn that down. Anyone else like Faith Hill? She is fantastic. You want to add preservative because conditioner bars are going into the shower and they are going to be exposed to water, and the preservative helps the conditioner bars not grow mold and other nasties in there. We are adding it below 80 because anything above 80, it degrades, it loses its, what would you say, efficacy? Potency? It's such a shame when it dries, it doesn't look this shiny and mystical.
I know, I wish it would.
Yeah, it just looks like a solid blue color when it dries, but it's just really interesting to see it when it's in this state. And I think that's what happens with mica when you use it. When you disperse it in anything, it has such a beautiful, shiny, metallic sheen to it, but then you add it to something and it kind of loses that.
I always make a joke when I'm adding the fragrance oil because we're doing this and a batch of raspberry vanilla, and I could have put the raspberry vanilla in this and it would be blue raspberry vanilla, but you know. And then I was psyching myself out with that, and I actually almost put the raspberry vanilla.
Oh gosh. And this pink one is our raspberry vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. So this is the stuff, this is the conditioner that Kale is now using that he wasn't using for the longest time because he thought conditioner. So what did you think about conditioner before, Kale?
I don't know. I thought it made your hair even more light and airy after you shampooed it.
No, that's the complete opposite of what it does.
And I didn't want that. Like, I hated how my hair felt when you use shampoo, but...
And he never believed me, and he just has to experience it.
It's true.
Husbands are like that, I think. They're
and
a
I
little
hear
stubborn.
there's some fans out there of my hair now.
Yeah, we've gotten a few comments on your hair. You got some fans out there, Kale. So you can see the difference after it's been drying, or I should say solidifying over time, how it just looks so flat. Yeah, it just loses its opalescent sheen after some time. See how beautiful and active the mica looks? And over here it looks just like a solid color. It's so strange that it does that, but yeah, that's just basically how it goes. So what we'll do is we'll put this in the freezer after this solidifies a little bit more, because if you put it in while it's still liquid, it will slosh around, and you've learned the hard way that happens. Yeah, we're just gonna put this to bed overnight, and then tomorrow we'll pop it out. Yeah, these are how we make our shampoo bars, or sorry, conditioner bars. And for those wondering, I get my recipe from DIY Bath & Body on Etsy. I took her recipe and I've tweaked it to make it my own. Go check out her Etsy. Her stuff is amazing. Clearly, look at these beautiful conditioner bars and Kale's beautiful hair. Okay, everybody, I think we're going to sign off. I was going to make soap today, but I've decided not to do that. One of the things you gotta learn as well is to just take care of yourself, and if something is just gonna be too much, you gotta learn when to say no, or else you're gonna burn yourself out, which we're already there, I think. I think we're a little burnt out. So we are going to call it for the night. Just gonna put a few things that sold out and then be okay with that. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you liked what you saw, like the video. And for all our subscribers, we love you guys. You guys are awesome. Right, Kale?
Absolutely.
We love reading your comments. So we will see you in the next one. Keep growing, keep hustling, keep being awesome business owners. Bye guys, and good night.